When I was 16, I was diagnosed with Crohn's disease. By the time I was in my early 20s, they had removed my gallbladder. By the time I hit a little bit past my 20th birthday, they wanted to remove my ovaries. They told me that I had endometriosis and that I'd never be able to have children.
I had been suffering from herniated discs in my neck. I walked with a cane half the time because I would lose the use of my left leg and the use of my left arm.
Because of all the surgeries I'd had on my hip, I was really in bad shape, hurting all over, constantly in pain no matter what I did. And, you know, more and more pain pills, that's what the doctors give you.
My chiropractic care started with addressing my scoliosis and straightening it out and getting rid of those symptoms. And slowly and surely, my Crohn's went away. My irritable bowel syndrome went away. My menstrual cycles became regular.
They said, well, we can fix that. So I said, okay, let's give it a try. I don't have the migraine headaches on a daily basis anymore. My herniated discs, if you look at the x-rays, they're gone.
Since I've been coming here to Dr. Chris and them, I feel like I've come a long way as far as the pain is concerned.
I'd like to introduce you to my daughter, Caroline. She is the daughter I was told that I would never be able to have. And if I was going to have her, I was going to have to undergo a lot of treatments for fertility.
Anyone can benefit from chiropractic care. If you have been under the care of a medical doctor and you're not getting better and he just keeps throwing more pills at you, he's not getting at the source.
I'm up and walking about. I do things I shouldn't be able to do. Like I said, there's just so many things that I can attribute to good. Even the stroke that I had, I have no residual whatsoever from the stroke. And I know that that has a lot to do with the care that I receive here. It makes a big difference in my life.
Hi, I'm Dr. Christopher Hood.
And I'm Dr. Danielle Hood. One of the main reasons my husband and I became chiropractors was because we knew through personal experience the dramatic improvements possible in a wide range of health issues through chiropractic care.
I walked away from a successful career in pharmacy when it became clear to me that prescribing medications to control symptoms was simply masking the problem and not treating the underlying cause.
Patient response to our care and techniques for obtaining and maintaining good health has been overwhelmingly positive.
With the knowledge of the importance of your spine and central nervous system to your overall health comes the personal power to make positive changes. Chiropractic is built on 3 principles. Number 1, the human body is designed to be self-healing and self-regulating. Number 2, the brain and nervous system control all function and all healing inside the body. Number 3, an unhealthy spine interferes with the nervous system and damages your body's natural ability to heal and to regulate itself. A condition known as subluxation interferes with your spine and nervous system and, left untreated, can have unexpected and debilitating consequences. Subluxations are misalignments of the spinal bones that impede the nerves as they exit from the spine on their way to every vital organ of your body. Subluxations occur from incidents we've experienced all the way back to birth, when a doctor pulls and twists a newborn's neck during delivery. Other examples include falls while learning to walk, tripping and slipping, sudden impacts from sports and stunts, and moving vehicle accidents. More subtle behaviors that cause subluxations include poor posture and repeated motions, such as talking on the phone with no hands. Subluxations are usually painless in the earliest stages, but they are the root cause of most of the chronic health conditions from which people suffer. Asthma, diabetes, migraines, hypertension, even infertility are all conditions that can be caused by subluxations. And like untreated metal framework slowly rusting, untreated spinal joints deteriorate over time, causing arthritis and a host of other problems as we age. As the spine breaks down, it distorts your posture, which accelerates damage to your central nervous system, and then we become more susceptible to sickness and disease, including heart disease and cancer, the 2 most common causes of death in North America. But it doesn't have to be this way. People with healthy, well-aligned spines have strong functioning nervous systems, and studies prove that a healthy spine and nerve system are key factors in disease prevention and reversal. So let's see how much of this you remember. What is your body's lifeline? If you said your spine, you're right. Do subluxations always cause pain? If you answered no, you're right. Oftentimes, subluxations can go unnoticed while causing health problems. What are misalignments of the spinal bones called? If you said subluxations, you're correct. How do subluxations affect your health? Subluxations put pressure on nerves exiting the spine and impede your body's ability to heal itself. When do subluxations occur? Come on, I know you can do it. Subluxations can occur anytime from birth onward. What's the key to maintaining optimal health for you and your family? Very good. Maintaining a healthy spine is the key to maintaining optimal health for you and your family. In just a few moments, we will be asking you some questions and performing tests including low radiation x-rays to determine the health of your spine. X-rays are taken to reveal subluxations. They help us more precisely locate areas where deterioration and damage may be occurring without your knowledge. We will check for damage that is never healed properly, and we'll look for hereditary problems that may have been passed from parent to child. On your next visit, we'll review our findings with you and inform you if chiropractic care will be beneficial, how often we'll need to see you, how long the process will take, and how much it'll cost.
The goal of Hood Chiropractic doctors and staff is to get your spine back to the healthiest state possible.
And to help you understand how chiropractic care, proper nutrition, exercise, and a positive attitude help to optimize and maintain that life force within all of us.
Congratulations on choosing this natural path to improving your health.